Did you know that 1 in 5 people experience debilitating migraines every day? Imagine being struck down by a debilitating migraine, leaving you writhing in pain for hours. For millions of people worldwide, this is a harsh reality they face every day. Migraines are more than just a headache. They're a complex and multifaceted condition. Researchers estimate that over 39 million people in the United States alone suffer from migraines. But what exactly is a migraine, and how do they happen? To understand the answer, let's dive into the world of neuroscience and explore the intricate mechanisms behind migraines. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that some people experience migraines triggered by specific smells? Imagine being hit with a debilitating headache every time you walk into a perfume store or catch a whiff of freshly cut grass. But wait until you hear what comes next. Migraines can also be triggered by stress, hormonal changes, and even certain foods. And then something unexpected happened. Researchers discovered that some people's migraines are linked to genetic mutations. This phenomenon occurs when a person's brain has an abnormal response to certain stimuli, leading to the release of pain-causing chemicals. For centuries, people have been trying to understand the causes of migraines, with some ancient civilizations believing they were caused by evil spirits. However, it's now known that migraines are a result of complex neural interactions and hormonal imbalances. Scientists discovered that certain genetic mutations can increase a person's risk of developing migraines. This is particularly true for people with a family history of migraines, as they may inherit a predisposition to the condition. So, what does this mean for people suffering from migraines? The impact of migraines is not just limited to the individual. It can also affect their relationships, work, and overall quality of life. In fact, studies have shown that people with migraines are more likely to experience anxiety, depression, and social isolation. Why is this the case? And how can we mitigate the effects of migraines? One approach is to use medication to manage symptoms, but this can come with its own set of risks and side effects. Another option is to try alternative therapies such as acupuncture, meditation, and cognitive behavioral therapy.
But that's not all. Some people have found relief from migraines through dietary changes and lifestyle modifications.
For instance, avoiding trigger foods and staying hydrated can help alleviate symptoms. And then there's the impact of migraines on our society. Did you know that migraines cost the U.S. economy over $13 billion annually? This is a staggering number, and it highlights the need for further research and awareness about migraines. So, what can we do to make a difference? Firstly, let's raise awareness about migraines and their effects on people's lives. We can also support research into the causes and treatments of migraines. And finally, let's be more understanding and compassionate towards people who suffer from migraines. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries. And let me know in the comments what fascinates you most. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.